Are you looking for the best sawhorses in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sawhorses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Pro Brackets Sawhorse. This sawhorse comes with a heavy gauge structural resin and is available in a pack of 2. This is very strong and has the capacity to support up to 900 kilograms in a pair. This is very easy to assemble, and you will only require a screwdriver to install it. It comes with all the hardware like stabilizing feet and 4 brackets to make it complete. This has a large capacity and will let you have a wider surface. Moreover, it has a lower shelf which makes it easy to store. Furthermore, this will make your task very easy and is also a stable product. It will not fall and is your ideal tool for any DIY project. When compared to a standard size sawhorse, this is very efficient, and you can also customize it and get it according to your own preference. You can easily add it with other stock and increase its height, length, or width. This is very lightweight and allows you to use it anywhere. At number 4. Clamping Sawhorse Pair with Bar Clamps. This is a very lightweight sawhorse and is made up of a thermoplastic polymer. It is durable and is very tough. This will support the weight of up to 1,000 pounds when you combine them together. It comes with 2 detachable bar clamps which you can easily attach either horizontally or vertically. You can use it as per the need of your project, and it also comes in a portable design. Moreover, you can take it anywhere you want as it comes in a foldable design and it comes fully assembled. It has a built-in shelf which is ideal for storing tools as well as other materials. Furthermore, there is also a cord hook that will let you store cords. It is easy to use the product, and the total width is 18 inches. This is easy to store and is also sturdy. This is a versatile product and is very convenient. Any of your DIY projects will be very convenient as it better than ordinary sawhorses. There is no doubt that it is one of the best sawhorses on the list. At number 3. All Steel Folding Sawhorse Pair. This is one of the best sawhorses, and it comes in a pair and has a stable stance. This is wide and comes in a size of 19 by 48 inches. This has a height of 36 inches and comes fully assembled. You will only have to open it from the box and start your work. Moreover, you can easily fold or unfold the legs, and it has a stable lock that will keep it in place. This has a pre-drilled top which is ideal for wood cutting. Furthermore, this is built to last as it comes with all steel construction. This will let you have carefree storage with its folding legs. This is tough, and the maximum weight capacity is 500 pounds. It has a powder-coated body and is rust-resistant. At number 2. Adjustable Height Metal Folding Sawhorse. This one comes in a set of 2 and is made up of steel. The sawhorse is very durable and has galvanized legs. You can easily fold it and take it anywhere you want. Furthermore, this comes with a convenient carrying handle, making it ideal for taking it to your job site. This is very tough and can take a total load of 2,600 pounds. Moreover, it has support arms that will hold the wood stable. This is an easy-to-use product that will enhance your skill and help you craft wood easily. You can also adjust the height, and it will provide sturdy support. You can easily create your work table from anywhere you want, and it can also adjust itself on uneven surfaces. At number 1. Heavy-Duty Folding Legs Portable Sawhorses. Here is a classic sawhorse that will meet all your work requirements. This has a 600-pound load capacity and has a sturdy construction. This will absorb impact and is very durable. Moreover, this will let you have a smooth operation and is very lightweight. This is also foldable and allows you to conveniently store it when not in use. It also arrives in a humanization design and has an anti-slip surface for work. You can transport it easily as it has a comfortable grip handle. The foundation of this sawhorse will make it last longer, and it does not require any installation. This will save your working space, and it has also got a removable rubber strip. The soft top is very safe and will not scratch your materials. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.